really quick before the video starts, I know we haven't had content in a while. It's winter, there's nothing going on. But this is just the start of more content this year. We're worrying more about quality over quantity right now. Once car show season start back up, we do plan to get a lot more out there for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Go follow all of our Instagrams. They'll be up on the screen. Mine, Joe's, Loose Cannons. Go follow us. We post more there. We haven't posted in a while, but like I said, it's still more consistent. Joe's actually on a break right now because he has some stuff in the works. I'm not going to go into that at all. That's him. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. They came. We're starting the FOXBODY. We're starting the FOXBODY build. As you've seen in the intro, I had a box. I know what's in the box. I'm also sorry about the background right now. We are in the midst of like moving shit around and just getting stuff organized. Damn! Oh! Those are clean! Alright, I'm still sitting on the floor for this, but here they are in all of their glory. The smoked 3-piece headlights for the FOXBODY. We're going to be putting those on in just a few minutes here. But I was really debating between these and the 1-piece headlights because I think the 1-piece looked darker. But now that these are here in person, I'm kind of really glad I went with the 3-piece setup. And I also know that 1-pieces are, I guess, frowned upon in the FOXBODY community. But the idea I have for the car, I think the 1-piece would look just as great. So honestly, these might get changed out later in the future. But for now, these look amazing. I still have to buy a tool set, so I'm probably going to do that tomorrow. This video is gonna roll into tomorrow, but let's go take a look at the FOXBODY. All right, here she sits in all of her glory. Right now, we just have the basic headlights. I think the blacked out look is gonna completely change the way this car looks. So excited to get these installed. We're probably gonna do that tomorrow. Like I said, today's video is gonna roll over into tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I have a toolkit. Alright, it is like 30 degrees here in Illinois. The garage is freezing, but we're gonna make this work because I can't wait. I want to get content out for you guys, and I want to start doing stuff to the car pronto. So, without further ado, let's get everything we need. We got a tool set. Okay, really quick, we picked up a quick tool set. Another problem, I don't have any light right here. Alright, what's up? I actually ended up having to go somewhere after I brought the toolkit into the garage, so we're gonna finish up right now. I think, really quick beforehand, there's a mechanic light right here, but there's tons of spider webs and everything. It's kind of gross. So I think I'm gonna clean and vacuum that off really quick before we start on the headlights, just so I have something to put in my hood, so I have lighting, because let's look. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but there is like no lighting hitting over here. So we're gonna have to fix that really quick. And then headlights. It works. Oh, new tools. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Look, they gave me stickers. Okay, we got our 11mm. That's what size the bolts are on the headlights. There's some right there, right there. But I can't get the light bulb for this light out, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. I'm sure I will. But let's get to going. Boom! One pops out just like that. Boom, out. And boom, just, what am I kicking? Boom, just like that, we have one headlight out. Honestly, I kind of like the no headlight look. I'm kidding. Well, whatever this is, just wipes right off. Never mind. I was going to say we should probably wash it or wipe this stuff down, but it looks like whatever this is gonna wipe right off, so we have no worries. I also should have brought the headlights into the garage. The new ones, the new headlights. Let's go get those. I know this is just something minor, but working on my car myself is something I've always wanted to do, so this is just really, it makes me happy, and to be in the car community is just great. Now, I think it'd be this one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm wrong. Look at that. Look how clean that's gonna look. It's gonna look so good on the car. It's gonna look so, so good on the car. Where did it fucking go? Found it. After like 10 minutes of searching, I found it. I thought it was a goner. Now let's not do that again, okay? I feel like you can cooperate with me. I fucked up. I fucked up. I'm supposed to put in this light first, then this light, and then this light. The way the weather stripping is, it makes sense. All right, this is the one that's supposed to go in first, hopefully. Okay, so I'm sitting there trying to figure out why the headlights won't line up. I've been at this for way longer than I should be. It's been like maybe an hour on the first headlight. This and this are supposed to line up with a hole that's like pre-cut out. These ones don't have it. I'm gonna cut these ones off. I've been at this single headlight for over an hour because of those prongs. I think I'm gonna go buy a metal file and file them down. Look, my hands are dirty. I'm a mechanic or something like that, right? I'm gonna go buy a metal file, file them down, because this is, I don't understand why they don't line up. Here, this is, I'll show you. There is a hole there and a hole there. Not that bottom one, right there and there. Everything lines up except the prongs. Look, even the one on the right side does, but the one on the left is not. It just doesn't. I don't know why. All right, finally, after filing some of the marker holes and forcing some of this in, we finally got one headlight. If we look over here, here's a before and an after. I think the black smoked is just amazing. Let's turn these on and show you. Those are the marker lights. Those look very clean. I am a big fan of this. I'm glad I did this. And the headlights. I think these look absolutely sick. I think this is going to be a great project. Oh, that's not closed. I was thinking about converting the car to a GT car, putting the GT kit on it and whatever, but it's a little more expensive than I thought it was going to be. So I think we're going to keep it an LX for right now. A lot of you might be mad at that decision, making it a GT car if you follow FOXBODYs, but I think my vision in my head, amazing, perfect. So that's later. We still have one more headlight to do, so I'm gonna do that and then show you guys when it's totally done. All right, what is up? We got the second one in. No problems with this one. This one went in completely fine. Unlike that one, that one sucks. This second one went in no problems at all. Now, it's time for the big reveal. Helps if I plug the headlights in, huh? Probably. Cut. Oh yes, these black headlights look so good. I'm so excited. With the headlights on, yes, these look absolutely flawless. I think these look way better than those stock yellow fogged ones. Alright, now that the headlights are in, I think that's essentially going to wrap up today's video. Let's just take one more good look at it. I think that cleans up the car amazingly. Let's take a look at it with the hood down. There is a little bit of a gap. Like right here. But that's not too much of a problem. I can always go back and clean that up. Honestly, I might not even have to. It doesn't look too noticeable. I'm just looking at the weather stripping right now. That's with the hood down. It's not even fully down right now. The hood's misaligned, so we have to realign that. But I plan on getting a different hood for the car soon. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that because I have a plan. But I think the car looks good and I'm happy with it. That was like my first ever thing doing to my own car. That was my first ever time working on my own car, I mean. I'm happy about it. I'm happy with it. This car is going to be amazing. Stay tuned. Follow the progress of the build. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.